Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this video, we will solve these two statements. So, the first point we have is take four user inputs A, B, C, D. So first of all, we have to take four user inputs. Let us take that four user inputs. So before, if we want to take user inputs, we have to import java.util.star. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So int a is equal to sc.nextInt. So int b is equal to sc.nextInt. So int c is equal to sc.next. Int t is equal to sc.next. So we have taken four inputs A, B, C, D. So this is the second point is like if A into P is equal to C into D, then we have to print true, or otherwise we have to print false. So let us take two inputs. Result 1 is equal to A into B. So in the result 1 variable, so we are storing A into B, like whatever the inputs which we given in A and the input in B. So we are just multiplying both A and B and storing the final value into the result 1 variable. So likewise, result 2, C into D. So likewise, we have to store the A into P value in the result 1 and C into D value in the result 2. So now we will write the if condition. If so, so here what is having A into B. So A into B is stored in result 1. So I'm writing result 1 is equal to. So C into D is stored in the result 2. So result 2. So if it is equal, so it is a equal to operator. So if it is, so result 1 and result 2 is equal, then we will print the true. System.out.println true. Or otherwise, we have to print false. System.out.println false. So what we have done? So we have taken simple for user inputs A, B, C, D. So the multiplication of A and B, the final value will be stored in result 1. And the multiplication of C and D, the final value will be stored into the result 2. So in the second point, what we have to do? So we have to compare A into B. So A into B is stored in result 1. So that's why I'm putting result 1. So C into D is stored in result 2. So I'm comparing result 1 equal to result 2. If it is true, it's true. Or otherwise, false. Let us run this program. So we got an error. Scanner. Okay. So the error was gone. So we have to take two inputs. So 10, 10. So 10, 10. So the first value is A, and the second value is B, third value is C, fourth value is D. So A into B is 100 and C into D is 100. So we have to print like the output should be true. See, the output should be true. and we will run again. So 40, 20, 60, and 20. So 4 into 20. So 4 into 20 and 60 into 20 is not equal. So it will print false. I hope you understand this program. So simple if and else program. So I hope you have done 3 programs using if and else. I hope you know how to use if and else. So if you like this video, please like this video and please subscribe my channel. And if you want to share my channel, please share to your friends. And if you want more videos of mine, please uh, ring the bell icon. So whenever I post in the YouTube, you will get the notification. Thank you so much, friends.